So, changing the fan belt today. Start by removing the cover with 4 screws. Easiest way is to remove the fan. And you need a spanner size 36 and a tool you can make yourself, something like that. If you have air condition, you need to remove this cover, loosen the nuts and just take it off. And then you need a bar to connect to this hole, 3/8. I use an adapter to 1/2 inch. Like that. You need that to loosen the spring and the tensioner. Okay. And once you loosen the tension, you can start by removing the belt like that, and then release the tension again. Now you should release the whole tensioner to get the belt off, but on my engine it was really stuck. So what I see, I can really remove the belt without releasing it. Look, like that. Okay, time to put on a new belt. I changed some pulleys that had bad bearings. And if you're unsure how to route the belt, you can check this picture, or at the end of the video I will also show how it is routed. Okay, let's go. Again, turn the tensioner with the bar. Place the belt in the right position. There it is.